Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Friends, today in this video, I'll show you how to grow hawk plums or Spanish plums, and scientific name is Spondias mombin. You can grow easily in your home. These are Thai variety of mombin, and I'll show you how to grow in pot or container. So if you want to buy some plant, just buy some of this grafted plant. These are some desi stock plant, and grafting portion is Thai variety is grafted upon it. So if you grow this Thai variety grafted upon this, you will see that there are immensely flowering, and there will be whole the plant will be full of flowers and fruits here. And round the year you can get fruits from here around 2 to 3 times a year. The plant will be full of fruits. Once they will start growing fruits, the another part will be growing flowers, and the other part is all full of fruits. So these are the fruits. They contains lots of vitamin C, vitamin B, and lot of vitamin E also. Whenever you grow, just take at least 25 to 50 liter drum, and the drum lower part big hole is covered with a broken piece of pot, and here earthen pot I am covering. If you want, make bases with some broken pieces of bricks or some pots, earthen pots. These are the basic. And the soil mix is very simple. Whatever kind of soil you have, red soil, white soil, or any of the yellow soil, any kind of soil, take 60% garden soil, and add 40% vermicompost or cow dung compost or any kind of compost you have. You can mix, and in that I will be putting little bit of neem cake powder. This is neem cake powder is contains lots of micronutrients and anti-nematode also. So they will protect your plant. Around 50 gram will be enough for 1 drum and 1 plant. And then I will add little bit of lime powder, slack lime powder. They will control all your fungus problem and bacterial problem in soil, and all insect problem they will take care. So if you have some white ant problem, then you can add little bit of insecticide also, but we don't have white ant problem in our area, that's why not adding this one. So this is the simplest soil mixture, and just see how I am potting it, how to grow it, how to care it. Just watch the entire video. I'll show you the entire thing, and I tell you this is the Baramasi variety. So round the year you can get fruits from here. So whenever you are taking out the plant from the grow bag, just cut the two end of two sides of the grow bag, so that you can pull out the entire root ball from here, and there won't be any breaking of the roots here. So all the root ball is intact I am taking out. So this is the way how to remove the grow bag from here. And now fill up and make a bed of around 6 to 7 inch height bed here in the base, and then I will be put the root ball here. So this is how. First make a bed of around 6 to 7 inch high. Then I'll put the plant, root ball of the plant here, and again I will fill up with the same soil mix. So this is how you have to grow the plant here. And I tell you, if you want to grow, you can grow in 12-inch pot also. But if you really want fruit to get around the year, you have to grow at least in 25 liter or 50 liter drum will be best. If you want, you can grow in terrace also, or in garden or terrace, whatever place you want, you can grow it. I am filling it up properly, and after filling it up properly with the soil, just water it thoroughly first time, and again water it whenever you see the soil is dried up, then again you water it. And first 3 to 4 plants I will keep it in semi-shade area, so that the plant do not get in shock position. After 3 to 4 days I'll keep it in open sunlight. They receive at least 6 to 7 years hour sunlight is necessary for growing fruits here. And now I am applying water here, and first time I'll drench the whole soil, and then again after 2 to 3 days again I will water whenever I see the soil is dried up, then only you can get. So this is the very popular among the girls and women. They like it, they eat it very raw, and they contains lots of vitamin, and they are very nice fruit. And if you grow round the year, you can get fruits from here at least 2 to 3 times. Whole the plant will be full of fruits. And I'll tell you, whenever you buy, just buy Thai variety all time, Amra or Spondias. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like, please like it.